Ready, steady,
Which
go!
camera do I look at? Today we're going to be opening up a package to Triple Vision Industries, our first set of merch. Alright. Shit, it's kind of big. It's big. Oh shit! We got the stickers!
Bit of technical issues.
Whoa!
Oh, does it say Triple Vision or
No, it
something?
says Mr. Print. Hi guys! Alright, so we got the Triple Vision stickers right here. If you have a look at that, it is pretty epic. If you want to cop these, link in bio. We'll just chuck a link in there. If you live near me, we'll hand some out for $2, let's say, and then you can chuck them on. Hope you guys are excited. Let's start the video. Woo!